Hi, my name is Amulya. In this video, I'm going to record my understanding about our week 7 lab practice. And the first task which we have done was about the reviewing cost center hierarchy. In order to display this, we have to click on the display cost center group application, and we have to um, select the value. Uh, in this use case, we have selected the value NA00 by pressing this folder icon, and we have to select it. It will list the entries that are having in controlling area, and we have to select the NA00 GBA North America entry, and after that clicking OK, it will display a hierarchy, standard hierarchy for cost center displays, and it will display different hierarchies, and each is subdivided into furthermore, like here we can see NA00 is dedicated for the North American Center, and N1100 is dedicated to executive brand. In order to display more about this information, we have to click on this each entry. And the second task which I have done was the displaying of cost elements. This displaying of cost element is to get the information about the expenses account of this organization. In order to view that, we have to select the app manage GL account master data. On clicking of it, we have to enter the chat account number. For chart of accounts I have selected here is GL00, which is for global, and also the GL account type is a primary cost or revenue, and view should be of chart of account view, and then it will list after clicking on go, it will list the all the records it is having. And in this instance, we have to select the 7000, which is labor expenses, to view complete cost, primary cost or revenue of the labor expenses. Select this 7 followed by zeros account and click OK, and it will display gives information labor expenses, like it will give basic information, general information, company code, and controlling data where it is used. If we need to select one different type, another, if you want to view another cost, you should go back and click on the GL account type to be secondary cost, and in this select 8 followed by zeros, which is labor, which is of labor, and view the information. And third task which I have done was the displaying of cost element groups. Displaying of cost element groups, we have direct an app, click on it and enter the controlling area number as NA00, and it will proceed to cost element group, which is GL00, and click OK. On clicking OK, it will list the all the entries which is having, and select the NA primary cost element total entry and click OK. It will display all the primary cost elements totals, like each account number and its display. Click on the for this instance, we have selected to click on 74743, which is 740,300, which is rent expenses. Then it will display GL account based on the JL account number which we have entered, and it will gives information about this control data and bank interest and keywords and many more. Thank you.